All right, let's multiply fractions now. Okay, so if I have 5/6 and I want to multiply by 8, okay, you were probably taught, technically 8 is 8 over 1, so you can make that a fraction. Oop, right here, okay? And then you can just multiply across. So 5 times 8 is 40, and 6 times 1 is 6, so it's 40 over 6. Now, remember, you have to make sure that it is simplified. So 40 over 6 is not simplified, okay? Both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2, so let's cut them both in half. That's going to be 20 over 3, okay? And that's your answer. Now, the one thing I noticed is sometimes students forget to reduce fractions, okay? They forget to simplify them, all right? So a quick way to do that is when you have like a multiplication or division or whatever you're doing with fractions, see if you can simplify before you kind of do that final step of multiplying across, okay? So if we go back, all right, if we go back to the top here, all right, so I've got I erased the denominator. Okay, I've got 5/6 times 8, so I don't put the 1 underneath, but I know some people that like to put the 1 underneath, and I think often more people like to have the 1 underneath, so let's just do that, okay? Now, notice, I want to show you kind of something. I can rewrite that numerator so I've got 5/6. Watch me rewrite this numerator here as 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Now, that's the same as 8, okay? And watch me right here. I can rewrite 6 as 2 times 3, or 3 times 2, however you want to think about it, okay? So basically, I can divide out a 2 here, okay? And I've heard people say cancel, I like to say divide out, okay? And so now what I'm left with is 5 times 2 times 2 over 3 times 1, okay? So 5 times 2 times 2, also known as 5 times 4 is 20, okay? And 3 times 1 is 3, 20 over 3, same answer. Okay? I've also seen students, now I broke it down so that you saw these two composite numbers written as products of their prime factors, okay? So here's the thing. You can also just say, oh, well, this is divisible by 2, so that gives me 4, and this is divisible by 2, so that gives me 3, okay? That's great too. The reason I broke it down is because this concept of writing a number as the product of its prime factors is so important in mathematics, and I use it all the time when I'm dealing with complicated stuff. So I just wanted you to kind of think about it. So there you go. I guess technically that was 3 ways to do that problem.